Well, here's day two. Figure I'll give you a full tour. Managed to get my truck into low range to get it backed up into there. Plenty of room. Got the no trespassing signs. Just a little bit of the area. Neighbors, nice mountain views. Let's go on and check the inside out. AC holes. How handy. Oh, I blocked it. Gonna have to go around. Got the garage. Still needs work. Backyard. Got this weird little side area. Good shed back there. Nice big old pool. Gonna have to close those up. Let's look one back here one more time. Nice pool. Pretty deep. At least 7 feet deep. Well, structurally, it's all there. Gonna need to gut it. Oh, kitties. Bathroom. And final bedroom. Oh, this is the weird exit outside to another area. Bathtub out here. Okay, that's about it, I think.